I love his Himalayan. His seeing वाले है handlebar. He's holding it like this. Maybe he has some defect. तो आज हम लोग आप लोगों का फेवरेट कंटेंट रिव्यू करेंगे, मॉड रिव्यूज करेंगे, मोटरसाइकिल मॉड्स। इसलिए तुमको कहने पसंद था। एक और चीज, मोटरसाइकिल गराज अपडेट है जो आने वाला है बहुत ही जल्द ही। ओके, इट्स नॉट KLX 230, इट्स सम अदर मोटरसाइकिल। तो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन लेट पापा नो कि विच मोटरसाइकिल इज कमिंग। कुछ झलकी वलकी आपको मिलती रहेगी इधर उधर, तो आपको आइडिया मिल जाएगी। दिस वीडियो इज फ्रॉम भारत ऑटो स्टोर्स एंड टॉर्क ऑन रोड। It's called Honda Extreme 125 fully loaded. अरे गजब, गुजरात। Oh my God, check out the wheel cover. देख रहे कितना अजीब लगता है व्हील कवर। कैसे एक तरफ से उठा हुआ है, मुड़ा हुआ है। Does this look good from any angle? है भी तो नहीं दिखाना चाहिए, हम तो बोलते हैं। और ये पैनियर्स भी है, बाकी सब कुछ ठीक है। He has done some mods to do touring and stuff. मतलब 125cc में इतना वेट कैसे झेल पाएगी, I have no idea, but है। सामान लगाया है, इतना है। चलो विंड स्क्रीन पे विंड स्क्रीन। 125cc में आप कितना ही तेज जाओगे कि आपको विंड प्रोटेक्शन चाहिए, बट स्टिल अ मॉड इज अ मॉड। एंड दे आर काइंड ऑफ मिनी विंगलेट्स आल्सो, आई डोंट नो, ब्लेड्स और विंगलेट्स, व्हाट टू कॉल इट। जेरी कैन भी है। वाह, पहले ही बात कर चुका हूं मैं इसके ऊपर। आई वाज नेवर फैन ऑफ एडिंग टू मच वेट ऑनटू योर मोटरसाइकिल। बाइक वेट 137 kgs, मॉड वेट 170 kgs। दैट इज जस्ट द मॉड, और विद द मॉड 170 kgs। इट इज एक्चुअली एक्सट्रीम नाउ, एक्सट्रीम मॉडिंग। स्पीड रिड्यूस बाय 100। तो बचा क्या? और जनता ने मिल के दिया है 3 स्पार्क प्लग्स। नॉट बैड एट ऑल। ये देखिए, और ये गजब MBD आर्टिस्ट वुडन स्कूटी। ओके, damn, even the number plate, even the helmet is wooden. Man, he should have done the guard also wooden. Oh, that'll be damn cool. No, number plate also wooden. It's UP. God damn, this is next level carpentership, man. अगर अंदर का भी बनाया होता ना पूरा wooden, that was golden sprocket. That was wooden sprocket, sorry, wooden sprocket. Oh, cute cat. +1 spark plug for the cat. लाइट भी वुडन होती, बताइए। हेडलैम्प के अंदर बल्ब की जगह दिया लगा दो, दिया। अरे दो बिल्ली, क्या बात है। +2 स्पार्क प्लग्स। वुडन हेलमेट भी बनाया भाई, गजब आदमी भाई साहब। ही इज एन आर्टिस्ट। नाउ डोंट लुक एट इट प्रैक्टिकली, लुक इट फ्रॉम द पर्सपेक्टिव ऑफ एन आर्टिस्ट। ही हैज क्रिएटेड अ पीस ऑफ आर्ट। दिस इज बाय द वे MBD आर्टिस्ट 41, डू चेक हिम आउट। स्विगी लिखते हैं आपकी स्कूटी थोड़ी सी फर्नीचर है क्या? I don't think so it's a paint, dude. I think maybe it's a wrap. He's actually making लकड़ी यार, लकड़ी पूरी बनाई है भाई, पूरा आर्टिस्ट है बंदा। यहाँ पे कंस्पायर कर रहे थे। बोले तो झूठ है ये स्टिकर है, but he actually made with wood. There's a full series on his channel where he has showcased how he has built the motorcycle. Oh my God, crazy guy. अरे क्या बात, we are giving the golden sprocket. Tanya, W in the chat, everyone W in the chat. Great work, and 2 billies is an actual magnet. ये देखिए कटाना लगाया है R1 में, वाह क्या, लॉक कर दिया फुटपैक से, रेयर फुटपैक केम टू यूज। अरे क्या बात। हमारे इंडिया में हॉकी के लिए बनाते हैं, हॉकी के लिए, बेसबॉल के लिए मॉड्स किए जाते हैं बुलेट में, एंड मेक सेंस। बुलेट इज मेड इन इंडिया एंड R1 इज मेड इन जापान। जापानीज बहुत मोशी। Should have put on Suzuki Katana. Oh, that would have made so much more sense. Moshi, बहुत moshi. Rear foot peg open in high speed. This is not your classic and all. इसमें vibration से खुल जाता है. Don't compare with your Royal Enfields. But yes, if it opens up, what if? Sa spark plug. Sa. Oh, by the way, this is it's a Super Duke headlamp. Some local guys have built it or they are importing it. One of the things. This looks exactly Super Duke 1390 का headlamp, which you can put on your जो Indian made Dukes है उस पे आप लगा सकते हो, replace कर सकते हो, headlamp replacement है. And the DRLs are, you can change different lights also. I don't know how the build quality is, but from the pictures and all, from the videos and all, looks damn cool, man. मैंने अपने मैकेनिक दोस्त भाई जान से पूछा था कि क्या इसको 790 पे लगाया जाए क्या? He said, I am not putting it for you. He was not ready to do it.
Would like to take notes while I take.
I think it's around 19,000 or 20,000 rupees for this headlamp. Super Duke 3900, nice. इसके ऊपर लगेगा double GST, 80%. Needs a bit bulky body kit to match the proportions. I think now this headlamp will actually look better on the current gen Duke 390 because it has a bulky portfolio in the front. So I think they will look nice. What we have been seeing from the pictures and the videos, I think 4 spark plugs make sense. Something's wrong with Papa's mouth. I want to check it out in real life. Oh, this is our Bhai Sahab Dusty Jacket Travel. Do check him out. He's one of the Instagrammer influencer from our Bangalore itself. Dusty Jacket Travels. I love his Himalayan. He has colored the frame red. He has changed the tank to Acerbis ka fiber tank, which is like 3 to 4 kgs lighter. He has also removed the guard, which he has not showcased here, which reduces the weight. So it has become less top heavy. And I've ridden the motorcycle, not his motorcycle, but some other motorcycle which has the same tank. And I can feel the difference, especially when you're holding the bike, holding the tank with your thighs. And especially you feel the top heaviness has come down. Though it's very expensive, it's like 51,000 rupees. Or are those Scorpion STR tires in the rear? Maybe it is. I love his overall look. Full black with the red subframe with the T18 back. Rear looks damn nice. And this Himalayan doesn't look like a Himalayan. I mean, I'm not a fan of Himalayan's classic look. I love the motorcycle though. But after doing these mods na, with a rally seat, looks so damn cool. Money well spent, I'll say. Papa and Sarkar is in sync with Golden Sprocket again. Kya baat? For Dusty Jackets Travels, one of the coolest Himalayan in the country. Oh bhai sahab, bhai Papa बुड्ढे हैं. इतनी लाइट. There should be a warning sign यार. Instagram should block this video. They should put a warning sign before. You can get मुर्गी का दौरा.
ये लो चले पक.
मैं कल सोच रहा था आजकल लोग ना दिवाली में सजावट नहीं कर रहे हैं. जैसे पहले के जमाने में सजावट करते थे वैसी नहीं कर रहे हैं. बट आई एम प्रूव्ड रॉन्ग. स्टिकर जो लगवाए रेसिंग बाइक कोई गजब. ग्रीन KTM. इसमें भी तुमको KTM घुसेड़ना था. फालतू में मेरा ट्रक ड्राइवर बाइक सा बाइक. मिथुंदा की मोटरसाइकिल. मिथुंदा गांजा 300. Kawasaki divorced Bajaj after watching this. They went to the future, saw the reel. ये होने वाला है. बजाज को छोड़ो. देखो KTM के साथ क्या हो रहा है. बजाज को छोड़ो. So Kawasaki always had a time machine. Now we know. अरे बाप रे इतना भी नहीं देना था यार. जनता ने दिया 1 spark plug. बहुत कुछ कर सकता था. बस लाइटें लगाई उसने. I think I would have given 3 spark plugs. But then I might have some brain injury after watching this reel. So do not quote Papa. Okay, ये है from M24 Automotive. अरे गजब एडिट. ओह तेरी. Oh, that was a cool edit. Shoei. That's not a Shoei. Oh, it's a modded Shoei. Okay. Modded. Oh my god, that's a CBR. What? There's a 250 CBR, right? You saw the swing arm and the rear tail section. Front is CBR. Looks like a VFR. Though that's not a CBR 250R ka swing arm. That is, I think that is from CBR 600 maybe or a 1000. Okay. Oh wow, check out the pedal disc. Check out the rear. Oh, that's a very flat tire, like a car tire. But anyways, upswept exhaust and the tail section. Tail section is also from CBR 1000 or something, man. This is pakka Kerala ka mod. Minglet is not looking bad actually. The way they have modded it on top of the motorcycle, it looks like a VFR. Like how a VFR should look like in 2025. Impressive. Where is this mod from? Kolam is from Kerala, right? If I'm not wrong. The word to use here. Bawal. Papa was out of words. Oh yeah, I am. First of all, I don't get much of CBR 250R mods. And then when I got one, it's just bawal. The value of Golden Sprocket goes down if you keep giving them out. But then can't. Have to give Golden Sprocket to this, man. Have to. It is worthy. Let's go. W in the chat for this mod, yeah. W in the chat. M24 Automotive. Next. Oh my god. ये अच्छा mod देखे फिर ये क्या देखने को मिलता है कभी. But one thing I have to give, he has done modification in such a way that the bike is balanced. Well balanced इसे. अरे तेरी. गोलियों की जगह धुआं मारती है. धुआं. ठीक है, these are horns, but what is this? What are these smoke bombs? What are these grenades? Sting energy drink, Terminator from Punjab. Animal gun scene first draft. Animal gun scene. परंपरा, प्रतिष्ठा, अनुशासन. Bro, वो धुआं का क्यों निकाल रही है? Because that's the exhaust, dude. That's why. It's not actual minigun. What do you thought? It's actual minigun to shoot down the Pakistani drones. हेडलाइट में टीवी लगाना भूल गया. वो लाइट चली गई है इसलिए वो ऑन नहीं है. अरे भाई ट्रेन जब आती है तो जैसे कि हम लोग रुकते हैं ना ट्रेन क्रॉसिंग पे, ये जब आता है तो ट्रेन रुकती है और स्प्लेंडर क्रॉसिंग. आई थिंक इट्स 3 spark plugs यार. I personally would have given 3 spark plugs. for the weight distribution, at least 3 to 2 spark plugs would have given. Whoa, what is happening here? There's a SN Rider. Okay, no music. Oh my god, check out it. RS. Extreme modification. For 1 second, I actually thought this is an S1000 RR. I'm not kidding. Who thought? In the chat में लिखो for a second, like fraction of seconds. दोनों पहिए पे wheel cover ना भाई ना. Oh yeah, it is a TR motorcycle. For what? And I also thought it is a KL bike, but it's not. The Bakra Povich looks nice on this. I love the livery also. And he's so thin and so small, na, the rider. That's why the bike is looking big. I was actually thinking the same. Sarkar ने decide किया है 4 spark plugs, and Papa also says 4 spark plugs. But it looks nice. It could be 5 spark plugs also if there was no wheel cover. Ducati V4 off-road. V4 off-road, not even V2.
It's huge.
Oh my god, check out the suspension on that. Those are KTM suspensions. EXC 350 or something. Oh my god, how is he holding the bike? It's pretty tall. What the hell? V4 के साथ off-roading. That also with the fairing and stuff. And with the 180 section tire in the rear. And the front is a Nobbies. Mad figures, man. V4 के साथ off-roading. What to call it? It's not a sports bike anymore. First we had sports tourer. Now we have sports off-roaders. This channel is Matt Spears. Oh, this is from Matt Spears. Oh, this one. This is from Ricochet Motorcycle Official. Check out this GTR. First of all, things which I can see, okay? This is called Maximus. It has supercharger or turbocharge, I'm not really sure what it is. Lowered clip-on bars with race concept ka exhaust. Whoa. That is a monster ka headlamp, right? They're dual disc with dual brake calipers. They have to put, man. What kind of power is producing, yaar, this one? USD suspension in front. This is insane mod. This is Bawal into 100.
A turbocharged and possibly the world's most powerful Continental GT650. And here's how it sounds.
It produces 95 horsepower. Turbocharged Continental GT650. Now that bike is worth 40% GST. Only by looking at the page I can make a full video. Man, content. Follow. Ricochet Motorcycles Official. Dude, I'm not even gonna ask about this. Excluding the headlamp for the looks if you're talking about. Forget about the looks. The whole modification is just Bawal into 100 next level. This is Golden Sprocket. Let's go Golden Sprocket again. Man, this video is not working out for me. The value of Golden Sprocket is going down. It's becoming a bronze sprocket slowly. Man, I really want to ride this, man. आमा यार, चलो कोई नहीं, बहुत दिन हो गया था, बहुत लोग शेयर कर रहे थे, मैं बात भी नहीं किया हूँ इसके ऊपर, बात कर ही लेते हैं. Obviously this is a rage bait content है, ऐसा हैंडल लगा के. आई एम श्योर ही इज नॉट कंफर्टेबल. यू नो समथिंग डिफरेंट करना है ताकि लोग देखें, कमेंट बाजी करें. ज्यादा टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करेंगे इसके ऊपर हम लोग. इस सींग वाले है हैंडल बार मॉड पे, आप लोग एक बार देख लो. चॉपर. This is not even chopper, man. This is like chipper. And he actually rides the bike also. It's not like he has just put the handle bar. He actually goes out and rides the bike. How does he control the clutch and the brakes here like this? There's nothing I can learn from this, but I want to know. He's holding it like this. Maybe he has some defect. This is a new style of holding a handlebar, yeah? Oh, he's holding it like a chopstick. Now we know. And why the helmet looks big for this head, man. See the helmet, okay? It's not fitting his head properly. There's a lot of space. I can see the bloody light come out from his helmet. There's so much space. Where's the visor? You guys really need to buy a helmet which fits your head. Else there's no use of the helmet. जिसके लिए आप helmet पहन रहे हो ना, वो काम नहीं करेगा वो. अगर आपका fitting सही नहीं है तो. I think it's remove the inners. What's wrong with this Diljalas यार? Take the handlebar here and give it a 1 spark plug. Okay, this is a RR310 from TVS. Check out that winglets on it. This is Aeroplane 310. भाई साहब, इतना बड़ा विंगलेट. दिस इज बाय मोटो ब्रूड बाय द वे. इज ही अ फॉलोअर? मजाक बनाने से पहले. ओ यार, इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू गिव 5 स्पार्क प्लग यार. नाउ गाटा मैंने बोला है, आई नो द रूल इज इफ यू फॉलो पापा यू गेट 5 स्पार्क प्लग, बट इट्स काइंड ऑफ डिफिकल्ट टू गिव 5 स्पार्क प्लग यार. बट द रूल इज रूल यार, क्या करें. काश इसने व्हील कवर लगाया होता तो माइनस स्पार्क प्लग पड़ जाता. लगाया भी नहीं व्हील कवर यार. कान हेल्प इट. 5 स्पार्क प्लग दुख के साथ देना पड़ रहा है पहली बार. विंगलेट्स फाइनल बॉस.
Round and round, the wheels on the bike go round and round, all through the town.